viewers' questions and affiliate marketing for beginners. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com and welcome to another viewers questions video. Every Wednesday I answer a question from one of my viewers, and if you would like one of your questions answered, then let me know in the comment section down below by leaving your question there. Alternatively, you can find me on social media. Links will be in the description down below and you can ask your question there, and if I feel like it warrants a video, then you might be featured on a future viewers questions video. But in today's video I'm concentrating on affiliate marketing, and today's question reads: I've been trying to start affiliate marketing for many years and I've been running into walls. As a matter of fact, I have my website done on Weebly but still haven't updated or published yet, as due to having problems with the SEO thing and promoting it. It's a lifestyle site, lifestyle shopping, travel and leisure. Is it better to group all these three into one single website, thus making it more compact and easier to track, or split them into three sites? Thank you and hope to get some advice from you soon. So I'm going to start off by answering the first bit of this question, which basically says you've been trying for many years and running into walls, but then you go on to actually mention that you've got a Weebly site but it hasn't been not only not updated but it hasn't been published yet. And I think a lot of times we get into the illusion of action when it comes to affiliate marketing or any kind of marketing, or even just getting your business out there, is you can think that you need to have the knowledge or that your website needs to be perfect before you actually publish. That even with my own site, there's so many things on there that needs to be updated, that needs to be edited, that needs to be changed, and that doesn't stop me from putting it live and from putting it out there. The thing with websites is there's always going to be things that need changing. It's not going to be perfect when you click publish and you put your site out there. You want to obviously make it as good as you can possibly make it, but you just want to get it out there as quickly as possible, and you can make edits as you go along. Your website doesn't have to stay the same. You can change things, you can improve things, but you really want to get it out there. You know, SEO is something you can improve over time. It's not something you're going to get perfect, that you need to get perfect and then publish your website. But there's, as I speak about in my SEO videos, there's on-page SEO and there's off-page SEO. And to be honest, in my personal opinion, off-page SEO is even more important than the SEO that you're going to be doing on your website, because you want to be thinking about things like building your domain authority, and those things take time. So the years that your website has not been published, you could have been building up that domain authority and you've kind of just lost out on all of those years that your website could have been live, that you could have been putting out blog articles and content and social media marketing and gaining social media shares back to your website. So in my opinion, you want to publish your site. The second thing I want to mention here is you say that there's three main topics. Now, when it comes to picking topics with affiliate marketing, what you really want to do is pick something that you're really interested in. For me, for example, I'm an affiliate for certain products such as Aweber. When I speak about Aweber and email marketing, that's a product that I actually use, but I'm also an affiliate for Aweber. Also, Terapeak is another product that I promote on this YouTube channel and on my website, and I'm an affiliate for Terapeak as well. But it interlinks with marketing and selling products online and selling services online. But that's a passion of mine. I really am passionate about marketing, and I love going to conferences about marketing and learning about search engine optimization and pay-per-click marketing and doing it myself and helping people do it for their website. So that's something I'm genuinely passionate about, and that's why I created a website, and that's why I created my YouTube channel around this. Not just because it's the one that's going to give me the most money, but it's something that I'm actually passionate about doing every single day. So when you're picking your topics for affiliate marketing, then you want to make sure that you're picking a topic that you're passionate about, that you know a lot about, or you can get a lot of information about, so you don't get bored of that topic over time. So I would strongly, discourage you from creating three sites. If you're passionate about those three things, then make one site about those three things. You can categorize your site into different categories, into different subheadings, or whatever you need to do. But managing one site is not an easy feat. So managing 3 sites is going to be really, really difficult for you. I recommend just managing 1. With regards to your Weebly SEO, I do have videos on SEO for Weebly websites, and I'm sure you've probably seen them, but just in case you haven't, I will link them in the description down below, so make sure you go and check that out. But in my opinion anyway, I strongly believe that WordPress.org is one of the best content management systems out there to create a website. It is a little bit more technical than your Weebly's or your Wix's, but there's so many benefits to actually using WordPress.org, and I'm going to be putting more videos out in the future showing you the types of things that you can do with WordPress and the types of plugins that are really going to help you with your search engine optimization and your overall marketing strategy. But that's it for this video. If you have any additional questions, then let me know in the comment section down below. But if this video was helpful to you, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.